Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome to Shishu World. So today we are going to make another quick and simple recipe that can be given to babies as well as preschoolers. Before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, I request you to subscribe, and if you enjoy this video, do give it a thumbs up as well. So let's have a look at the ingredients. Here we have taken 2 tablespoons of quick cooking oats. These are regular oats which are easily available everywhere, and you can use any brand that you like. Then I have 1 tablespoon of jaggery. I have taken regular jaggery and grated it. If you have powdered jaggery, you can use that also. Then I have taken 1 tablespoon of cashew powder. You can also take badam powder or any other nut. And I have taken 1 cardamom and 1 cup of milk. That is 250 ml of milk. So I have poured half a cup of milk first to the pan, and to that I added the oats, and now we will start cooking it up on low heat. This, you make sure that you start cooking with low heat only and gradually bring it to like a boil. So keep stirring it because we do not want it to become too lumpy. Gradually it will keep cooking, and after about 2 to 3 minutes you will see that it will start boiling, and the oats will start cooking. They cook very fast, they don't really take much time. So when you see that slight bubbles have started coming, like it is coming now, at this point I will add the cashew nut powder and I'll mix it well. And I've also added 1 whole cardamom pod. If you do not have the cardamom pod, or if you do not want to use it, you can also add a pinch of cardamom powder. I am putting the whole cardamom pod because we are making it for babies, and this will make it easier for us to just remove it. Once this has been cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes and oats are almost 70 to 80% cooked, that's when we add the jaggery powder or grated jaggery. It also gives it a nice color. So jaggery is always a better option to sugar, as jaggery is less refined and contains most of the minerals and nutrients, while white sugar is mostly refined and deprived of all its nutrients. Now we have to cook this for anywhere between 7 to 8 minutes till oats are completely cooked. If you feel the need, you can add more milk as well, because this keeps getting thicker when it cools down. Now before serving, remove the cardamom pod, but till the time you're ready to serve, you can leave it in the kheer only so that it releases its flavor. Now it is absolutely ready. I will serve it. You can, if you want, you can top it with some dried fruit if your child likes it, like raisins or dates or any of your child's favorite fruit and nuts. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what you have to do. Give it a like and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.